Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally strong debt-free small cap where Mohnish Pabrai has bought 40,98,532 shares during the last quarter. This represents an increase in stake by 1.37% in this company by Mohnish Pabrai during the last quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and choose all notifications to receive updates whenever we update a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Indian Energy Exchange Limited, which is available at Rs 146.65 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is IEX. Now Indian Energy Exchange Limited is an India-based company that offers an electronic platform for the trading of electricity products. Its products include day-ahead market electricity contracts, term-ahead market electricity contracts, renewable energy certificates and energy saving certificates. Its participants are able to participate in a uniform price double-sided closed auction process. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, after consolidating for the majority of the year, this company had started a downtrend, but over the last couple of days, this stock has really outperformed. The market cap of the company is 4,393 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 5.43 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 27.01, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 22.99. The price to book ratio of 11.88, however, is very expensive. The company does not pay out any dividends, and a strong fact about the company is that it's debt free. Now this company is also trying to foray into other countries to expand its business, which also might be positive for this company. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.